Hi everyone, welcome back to Match Notes with Ajinkya Rahane. The Asia Cup 2025 is almost here, and as always, it's a great chance to see some of the brightest talents in action. Today, I want to talk about few players who will play a big role in this Asia Cup. Let's start with Captain Surya Kumar Yadav. Didn't have a good series against England, but came back to form in IPL with 550s and finished as the second highest run scorer in the tournament with healthy strike rate. We all know Surya is a dangerous batter. In this format, he has done really well, but it will be interesting to see how he goes about his batting, especially after the surgery. As a captain, he's been fantastic. He's a proactive captain, led the team really well in the past, but I feel in this Asia Cup, his batting will be really important. Hardik's role in this Asia Cup will be really important. As an all-rounder, he has done really well for the team in the past. Coming at number 5 or 6 as a batter, creating that impact, playing with high strike rate, reading the situation and playing according to it. He has done it all, and I'm sure he can do it again. But what I would like to see from Hardik is bowling those 4 overs for the team. If he can do that, bowl those 4 overs, team can actually have a very good balance. Akshar Patel. I feel he's very much underrated player. He has improved as a player, as a cricketer in last 2-3 years. He has done really well. Whenever he's got an opportunity as a batter, as a bowler, he has performed really well for the team. He can bowl with the new ball in power play. He can bowl in middle phase as well, and if needed, he can bowl in death overs. As a captain, when you have a player like Akshar Patel in the team, you are always happy. And let's not forget about his fielding ability as well. And also, Asia Cup is in Dubai. Most probably, the wickets will favor the spinners. So Akshar's skill work and also experience will come in handy for the team. I'm really looking forward to see Bumrah playing in this Asia Cup. He hasn't played any T20I international in this year, but he's been doing really well in the shorter format. His form recently has been really great. He can come in and bowl at any time, create that impact, bowl those tight overs, and win you those matches. His ability, we all know, he's a match winner. But even if Bumrah doesn't pick up any wickets, he can bowl those tight overs so that others will get that reward. Having Bumrah in your team is always an advantage, as I said. So I'm really looking forward to see his performance in this Asia Cup. I'm excited to see Arshdeep Singh bowling with Jasprit Bumrah. We all know his ability, his skill work. He can swing the ball both ways, but also he can bowl those Yorkers with the new ball, and that's a very good skill to have. You don't want to depend every time on Bumrah or any other bowler. No, Arshdeep can bowl those Yorkers, straight Yorkers, wide Yorkers. As I said earlier also, he can bluff the batsman. He has the slower ball and he has the ability to pick up wickets. So I'm really excited to see Arshdeep Singh bowling with Bumrah and also creating that match-winning impact in this Asia Cup. So that's it from Match Notes with Ajinkya. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section and see you soon.
For more insights, do like, share and subscribe to my channel.